ready when you are, Kazuki.
Yeah, thank you. So please go next slide. So it is clear that the world needs a new energy that is CO2 free and unlimited and safe. Please go next one. The sun is one of the ideal energy source, constantly producing enormous amount of energy. So laser fusion is an attempt to reproduce mini sun on Earth and use it to generate electricity. The process of generating energy does not emit CO2, and isotope of hydrogen, the fuel, can be industrially produced from seawater and are in principle safe and non-explosive. Please go next slide. An academic study just recently published in December 2022 by US Federal Research Facility, namely the National Ignition Facility, NIF, strongly support the commercialization of laser fusion. An experiment at the NIF have confirmed the world's first energy gain from the laser fusion. However, in order to realize a commercial reactor, two improvements is necessary. For improving the efficiency of fusion reaction generation, I demonstrated the 10 times higher energy transfer efficiency using fast ignition method, resulting in reducing cost of just 1/10 of NIF. Furthermore, as for fusion generation, by high-frequency repetition lasers, we focus on developing diode pumped solid-state laser named DIPSO system. In recent years, we have succeeded in increasing the power output of the DIPSO to 100,000 times the repetition rate of the NIF laser. Please go next one. Our laser system can be used not only for laser fusion, but also for semiconductor production, space debris removal, defense, and many other applications, and can be easily deployed overseas. We have already started a project with the Australian government for laser application, and we plan to expand the project to several countries, including the United States. Please go next one. So Japan has many companies that are highly competent in laser component, but component alone do not make a laser. So we specialize in system integration and tuning and provide laser system to laboratories and private companies. So please go next one. So this team we have assembled is the best because we can solve two key technical problems that stand in the way of the commercialization of laser fusion. Please go next one. So please go next one. Oh, sorry, thank you. Additionally, X-Fusion has already signed a contract for access to over 200 million worth of infrastructure in free of charge, which include a laser system and a test site with over 6 feet of concrete walls in Hamamatsu. So we plan to complete this facility by next August. Please go next one. So with that, I want to dive into our next round of funding. We have 12 already committed for the next round of funding, are looking to raise 80 million total more to build the facility by next August. So thank you for your attention.
Thank you so much,